we're heading to Walmart to get me a tripod because I need one. Say hello to him and her.
Hello.
That crazy one over there, the little one, is a monkey. She's my monkey. Ooh, ooh. That's my big brother. That's my big brother. We're almost at Walmart, and we're going to like, we can't find it. I guess we'll go to another one. I guess, I don't know. We might just go to this one. If it's not there, we'll just go back home. But yes, still shy, so you don't need it. So we're heading to a parking space because there's a lot of parking spaces. Next to the outdoor living spaces. Thank you.
So where we're going?
But Daddy doesn't want to be in the video.
Oh.
And he's in front of it. So I decided her nickname is gonna be my little monkey, my little ape.
Don't worry, guys. I scratched my armpits a lot.
Yeah. Today is another day, so we might pick something up for our mom. This is a vlog, by the way, because I'm not gonna be doing any of my journeys today. Well, this is a journey. I'm on a big journey throughout Walmart. I eat my boogers. Stop it, please. We're in Walmart. You should do it at home. Do it at home, please. Slide. 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 Oh, she dove him.
Slime. So much slime. So much slime. I want slime.
Shoot. Like the sheep one right here.
I know, I want slime.
She's obsessed with it. Look, Grace. Look. Okay. What happened? Doesn't want. What? Never mind. Look, Grace. Slime sucker. What do you? Oh, it's one of those things.
Play-Doh, Play-Doh.
Come on, Breeze, we're going. Shit. We're heading to the camera station
To get her thing for her camera.
Yeah. So I gotta keep the camera to myself because I can't get it my because we don't know if they want to be in the video or not and stuff like that. So you're trying to start a channel and you shouldn't show anybody
If you guys
you don't know, because you don't know if they want to be in a video or not. So you gotta just like keep the camera to yourself.
Sorry.
So like, yeah. We're in the furniture. We're in the furniture now. next to clearance. Some of my friends might be here. I don't know where the chaos. I'm sorry. So, yeah. I'm sorry if I'm too silent and you like can't hear me. It's because like I don't want anybody else knowing that I'm doing a video because I don't know. They take my camera away. It's cool. This is so cute. I prefer blue. I prefer this one.
Look,
It's like
the
this.
dog too.
Is the book now? Oh yeah, that's our call. If you ever hear that in like a store and you're like, if you ever hear that in a store, it's our family. Yeah, we say that if we don't find each other, so we can find each other. Yes. Oh look, more cases. It's cool. This is GoPro and the camera mount, but it's mount, not this camera, right? I don't know.
Daddy, this one.
$13 for this one. What is?
Just so silent.
LED. I want one.
I always like the big.
It's called a mini. It's instant mini. LED. We're trying to figure out how to get one of those though, because we need it for one of our videos.